welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana Tosado, and in this channel I do all types of videos including vlogs, beauty, lifestyle, and now mommy videos. So for today's video I wanted to do something that was highly requested by my friends and a lot of people that's just seen my hairstyle. They wanted to know how I make my wavy, no heatless wavy hair. So I did just get out of the shower right now and I thought, okay, this is like the perfect time. I'm wearing my husband's t-shirt, so I look kind of like ratchet, but I just thought this is like the perfect time. And this hairstyle is for whenever you have something to do the next day and you don't have time to do your hair, or honestly you just want really nice wavy hair. And this is so easy and effortless. Like when my friends would message me to do this, I really didn't want to do a video because I'm like, it's so easy. Like I felt kind of like dumb in a way, but especially my friend Aranza, she told me to make a video of it because she really wanted to know how to do it. And I thought, okay, why not? You know, this will benefit a lot of people. And this is so easy to do, you guys. Okay, so like right when I get out of the shower, I always put my hair up in a towel and I wrap it up in a towel. So all you will need is literally hairspray, a brush, and like 2 ponytail holders. That is all, you guys. And I do struggle with dry scalp. Like even though my hair is like extremely oily, I have a really dry scalp, especially moving here to California. My scalp got so dry, you guys. Like it would literally, like this is disgusting, but it would literally bleed because it was so dry. So I had to find something fast that will like help my scalp. And I found this, it's by Glow Habit. It was literally like $7 and it says it's a superfood hair care scalp restoring serum. It's a leave-on serum and it revives dry scalp. It has lavender, peppermint, and cucumber. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and silicones, and it's literally 4 ounces. It literally looks like this, but literally it gave me so much relief. I'm scared to talk now. You guys, my sister is here and I'm so excited. If you want to see videos with her, comment down below. Okay. As soon as I put this on, it gave me so much relief in my hair, my scalp, and it was so insane. I have raccoon eyes, oh my god, for makeup. Okay, so I go ahead and I take this off, and this is how my hair looks after the towel. And I have not brushed it or anything, and I was wearing like the wavy hair before I showered, so it kind of still has that. The thing that I love about this hairstyle is that you can wear this hairstyle for up to 3 days. It's crazy, and I will show y'all throughout this video how I make that work. It's so knotted for me, like having it like wavy hair. But anyways, what I do in the shower is I just I wash my hair with just shampoo. You can either lather it up once or twice. I did twice this time because my hair was so oily, but I do not wear conditioner. I have done this several times, and I figured out that conditioner actually like softens your hair too much, and it doesn't help with like the wavy process because it's like too soft, you know, so it kind of just you know, when you get the braids out. But if you just don't do conditioner, it kind of leaves the structure of your hair and it gives you better waves and stuff. Let me go ahead and brush this out. But on the days that I don't do these braids, I will put leave-in conditioner on because I just love how my hair feels after. And I do use, this is actually my sister's, but we use the same one. This is the argan oil one, and it's amazing. It leaves your hair extremely, it gives it strength and shine and all of that stuff. All right, you guys, so that was a workout because since I did not brush my hair for 3 days that I had those waves in, my hair got extremely knotted. It took a while for my hair to get like this shiny and this pretty because I used to use heat on it all the time. I used to hate my hair so much, and I would straighten it literally every day, especially in high school, and I messed it up, literally. But now I don't use any heat at all, like at all. It's really strange the times that I do, but my hair is getting longer and stuff because of it. But anyways, so this is how you want your hair to be. Like, you want it to be a little bit damp, but not like soaking like wet, you know what I mean? So now you just part your hair however you want it to be when you want your hair curled. Actually, I'm gonna take these earrings off because I wanted to look cute in this video, but it's just not practical. So now I'm just gonna split my hair in the back like this, and literally all you have to do is put your head, like tilt your head like this, and you want to make sure that you get even strands of hair. My hair kind of already knows because I do this quite a bunch of times. But now you just want to pull your hair as close to your root as possible to make all the waves come up here. And then you just, oh, you see when it starts bubbling up, sometimes it just takes more than once. Like, don't get aggravated or whatever, because sometimes it just doesn't turn out how you want it, and it's all right, you can just restart. And then just do like a regular braid. And then do it super tight. Like, every time I do one, I tighten it up, but not like really tight because then it's gonna hurt you, but you know what I mean. Like, you wanna make sure that it's tight. And you're gonna look funny, and people at your house are probably gonna laugh at you, but you're gonna look super cute the next day when you take these out. So just go ahead and tight, tight, tight. Every time you go tight. All right, so now you need a ponytail holder. Make sure that this is really tight because you don't want this falling off in the middle of the night, and then you're gonna be so mad because then your braid is not gonna come off. So this is how it should look. And then if you feel like a piece of your hair just pulling at one part, just pull it apart like this, just pull it, and that should fix it. And then as soon as you're done, go ahead and get your hairspray. I just have the regular Tresemme Mega Firm Control, like the number 5, like this. This just seems to work for my hair. And then I just grab like this side, like this, and I go ahead and I hairspray it down. And then the other side, same thing. And then you don't have to do this, but I also just hairspray up here because I just don't like flyaways. And that is all. And you just repeat it on this side. Alright, so one thing you want to make sure when you're done with the second braid is that they're these like almost the same length, because if they're not, I've made this mistake before where I make this one way up here and then this one down here, and then when you take the braids off the next day, the waves just kind of stop right here and then these just kind of flow. So you want to make sure that they're they don't have to be exactly the same, but it will help if they are the same, or at least close to it. So I just go ahead and I tie this one off too. And don't do like the little, and then tie it off like this. My mom used to do that when I was a kid, and she actually still does, and then I just have to take it apart. You want to make sure that this is like completely straight. That's what's gonna help it look like waves. And then you just want to hairspray. what I like about this hairspray is that it doesn't make my hair all like, you know, hard and stuff. So all right, you guys, you should look kind of like this. It's kind of funny and people are probably gonna make fun of you at your house. I know that I would, like, my hubby's uncle would make fun of me all the time because I had my hair like this, but then the next day he said that I would look fly, but he would still make fun of me every day. But every time I would do this. But anyways, you should look like this, and then you just go to sleep, and then the next day I get ready, I do my makeup and all of that, and then when I'm done getting ready completely, then I take it off. But I will show you that tomorrow when I get up and I get ready and stuff. So hey guys, this is how I do my hair. I wet it, you know, after a shower, comb it, and yeah. Oh shit, I didn't put this. Okay guys, I forgot to put this on, but really all I do, I put this, last time I forgot to do the same thing, but I just do it like that, and then you just use your fingers and you push it into your scalp, and you instantly feel a relief. You just put a little bit wherever it hurts. Where usually you feel your scalp all dry and stuff. It feels so good. This is my sister's natural hair, by the way. Okay, I get like really ugly hair and she gets like this beautiful wavy curly hair. I have to do all this. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair looks after I woke up and did my makeup and got ready and all of that. This is the time that I start taking these off, and just wanna pull your hair ties off, and you wanna slowly take these off. It should look like this. And then you don't want to touch it. You just want to go ahead and hairspray, because you did only hairspray like the tops of it. You didn't hairspray all of it. So you just want to go ahead and hairspray that. And do the same thing to the other side. Now that it's like that, you want to go ahead and just play with it in the back. You can start playing with it now. I kind of just do this to my roots so I get more volume. And that is it, you guys. That is literally all I do to my hair. Anything?
Wow, it's really nice.
Alright you guys, so that is gonna be all for this video. If you want to see more videos like this on how I do other hairstyles and all of that stuff, just let me know down below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so this is day 2 of my hair, and like was it yesterday? Last night I had it like literally all in a bun and stuff, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but I want y'all to see that it actually lasts. This is my hair, and don't worry, it looks kind of crazy right now, but since you put in that hairspray and stuff, you can easily just come over here and just wet your hair. Just like a teeny tiny wet. It's not like a, you know, you're not just gonna drench your hair, but you kind of just, my makeup. You kind of just wanna, and then there. And then if you want, you can add some more hairspray, which I think I and there you go. Should I add more hairspray? I usually can leave my hair like this for up to 3 days. On day 3, like, my hair starts acting like really oily and stuff. So that's when I will wash it on the 4th day. But I can literally, what?
I put my finger on the camera.
It's fine. But I can literally have it for like 4 days. So yeah, you guys, if y'all, wait, did I say that yesterday? Like if y'all like this type of video. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show y'all how my hair looks on the 2nd day. I mean, does it look bad?
Good.
It does? Does it look bad? Like where? Like back here?
No, it doesn't.
Be honest! Does it look bad? Okay. Yeah. Take this off, yeah. I understand.